Imagine diving into the warm, crystal-clear waters off the coast of Indonesia, gliding past vibrant coral reefs, and focusing your eyes on a tiny patch of green marine algae. If you look closely enough, you might feel like you've accidentally stumbled into a fairy tale. Resting on a leaf is a creature that looks like a cartoon sheep, crossbred with a succulent plant, shrunken down to a near microscopic scale. This is the enchanting leaf sheep, sea slug, known scientifically as Costasiella kuroshimae. It is a marine invertebrate that blurs the very line between the animal kingdom and the plant world. To truly understand how microscopic this little wonder is, we have to scale down our human perspective. A fully grown leaf sheep usually measures a mere 5 millimeters in length, with smaller individuals crouching down around 1 to 2 millimeters. If you were to place one on the tip of your pinky finger, it would look like nothing more than a tiny, moving grain of rice. Yet, packed into this minuscule frame is an incredibly complex creature. They hide away in the shallow coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific, particularly thriving around Indonesia, Japan, and the Philippines, spending their entire lives anchored to a specific type of green algae called Avarenvilia. Looking at Costasiella kuroshimae under a magnifying lens is a profoundly joyful experience. It has a smooth, milky white face with two tiny, closed-set black eyes that give it an expression of perpetual innocence. Rising from its head are two long, scent-sensing tentacles called rhinophores, which resemble a sheep's ears. But its most stunning feature is the dense cluster of neon green, leaf-like appendages covering its back. These structures, called serrata, are tipped with pink, purple, or white accents, making the slug look like a grazing, walking bush. When it comes to diet, the leaf sheep is a highly specialized vegetarian, but with a sci-fi twist. It uses its sharp mouthparts to pierce the cells of the Avarenvilia algae and suck out the cellular sap. But instead of fully digesting its meal, it does something mind-blowing called kleptoplasty. It separates the algae's chloroplasts, the microscopic solar panels plants use to make food, and stores them completely intact inside its own green serrata. By stealing these tiny factories, the leaf sheep becomes one of the very few animals on Earth capable of photosynthesis. When food is scarce, it simply bathes in the shallow sunlight, letting the hijacked chloroplasts generate sugars to fuel its tiny body with clean, solar energy. For us humans, these adorable slugs are completely harmless. They aren't venomous, they don't produce dangerous pathogens, and they don't impact our health as probiotics. They are beautifully neutral, acting as peaceful grazers that keep algal growth in check while adding a layer of whimsical diversity to our oceans. Ultimately, the leaf sheep is a living testament to the sheer ingenuity of evolutionary biology. It proves that nature doesn't respect the rigid boundaries we write in textbooks. By combining the survival strategies of an animal and a plant into a 5-millimeter body, this tiny explorer reminds us that the deep blue sea still holds mysteries capable of capturing our hearts and completely redefining our understanding of life on Earth.